Wow, welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are going to be working on, oh, you can't see it, boom, we're going to be basically taking these apart. As you can tell right here, my sister already started. She took off one wheel. Focus. She took off one wheel already. She wanted me to take off all the other wheels, but she wanted me to vlog for it. Because she's trying to get me active and trying to get me to vlog more, because you know, I gotta update you guys. But yeah, I gotta keep you guys posted on what's going on. And yeah. So pretty much what we're gonna be doing is she's gonna be rebuilding the wheels, obviously, for the Subi. Right now it's out there on stock wheels. My brother's car, slowly but surely, coming soon. He's gonna get it wrapped soon, but nobody knows the color. Mine, we'll talk about mine. But yeah, today's agenda is to take off all these wheels. I'm not gonna fully take apart the wheels. I'm gonna wait for my sister to come here so I could take out the barrels, just so she could be here. I mean, these are her first wheel she's bought that's really pricey, so obviously I want her to be here, because these are hers. And yeah, update on the hatch, we're just missing a muffler, and once we get the muffler, everything should be fine for this car. We got a base map from NorCal. And then this is a little sneak peek of what my sister's coming out with. Just get some tools. We're trying to be more organized, guys, okay? I'm sorry. We even got a new toolbox. Shout out to Darrell. Obviously our old one, which is a pile of junk on here now. But I mean, we all start from somewhere. And extra parts here, way extra parts. Anybody looking for some H series 1320 headers for an H series? Don't know if anybody has an H series, but I have it. You guys need it. My neighbor just randomly gave it to me. Okay, so all these rivets are out. Usually when the wheels are brand new, let me put it on here actually. Like I said, usually when they're brand new, they usually just fall out. They usually just fall out because obviously they're brand new. Boom! Obviously, save your hardware unless you're gonna buy new ones. It's always recommended. Okay, one wheel's done. Like, just like that. If you guys are wondering why there's red tape here, it's because my sister originally wanted to use her TPMS sensor, so she doesn't have the TPMS lights on. So we tried taping it, but it didn't work, so it was just flopping everywhere. That's another reason why she wanted to take off the wheels. So here we are. TPMS sensors are in here. Other than that, 2 wheels done, 2 more to go.
2,000 years later.
Now today, what we are doing is Darrell's over there. Yeah, Darrell's over there. He's trying to bend the metal pieces right here, because he's trying to make a radiator shield. Because you can see his radiator is exposed right here. So, yeah, we're trying to make a little heat shield, not a heat shield, but like so nothing punctures the radiator. That's why we have a lot of wood. Shout out to, I mean not wood, but metal plates. Shout out to Art. So yeah, he's bending a piece over there. We pre-cut it already. So pretty much what it's gonna be doing is it's gonna go from here to, wait, upside down. It's gonna go from here to the frame of the car, and we're just gonna self-tap it in. We're gonna do probably like 4 pieces to cover this whole thing. Hopefully it comes out nice, but I think the main concern is Darrell just wants to put it on. I don't think he cares how bad it looks. So yeah, so it's gonna sit something like this.
So you gotta remember, we can force it.
Hold it, Darrell.
So we can force it.
So yeah, it's supposed to look something like this. Pretty much just to block the radiator. You just need to bend it more.
On the top.
Yeah, so. No, wait, not on top.
Yeah.
Right here. This piece needs to be a full 90. So it has to be a 90 and 90, yeah. So you see my finger right here? See how it's bleeding? That mother trucker
Yeah, brother.
decides to don't even put a pilot hole first, and he just tries to drill it with the damn self-tapper. Oh, he decided to do that and cuts me. But yeah, this is how it's supposed to look. You make an asshole without me getting cut.
How many people were cutting today, boy?
It's okay.
6.
My blood's right there.
So literally, blood, sweat, and tears.
My blood's right there. You can see the red. So I'll forever be a part of this car.
Oh, you've been.
Oh wait, I did, because this car almost dropped on me when we did the lift kit. Dummy over here decides to get cement blocks and use it as jack stands. The ones with holes in it. 2 holes. What is that gonna hold? Not this heavy ass damn truck. Fuck this truck, man. It's always,
this time it's on all 4 tires.
it's always this car that fucks me up, man. Fuck, hurry up, man. We got time for this.
I can't drill.
Jesus. Swear to God, if I die this year, I'm gonna die in this car. And if I do, you better not get rid of this fucking car.
Hell no, I'm not. This is the car that's gonna carry your body if you do die.
You don't want this car to do a fucking fat ass brake stand on my fucking funeral.
I'll do one right now.
No.
Now, who said I was gonna do it here? I'll go to Mexico real quick.
See, that's exactly what happened. But instead of the self-tapper rolling, the self-tapper was shooting here. The self-tapper. It's not it, what was it? Did you do this? You drove really wrong. Okay, so we had to cut it a little short today because if you can see, fuck, focus, the drill bit, it's a little screwed. It doesn't screw anymore. So this is all we got done. This is how it's gonna look. But on this side, since there's a gap, what me and Darrell were thinking was to basically cut a notch right here and then cut a notch on top, and then this whole piece would fold in, so it'd be like, it looked like this. And then same thing with the bottom, cut right here, cut right there, and then fold this piece up so it would be that, so nothing could go inside. and then after we're planning on doing it to both sides, but we didn't end up finishing because you can see the hole right here. Since the step bit failed on us, since it snapped, we have to finish it tomorrow. We already have 2 pieces laid out with this one and then the one over here. So yeah, we have everything ready for it, but since the step bit took a poop on us, we're gonna have to finish it tomorrow. But at least majority of it is covered, I guess. Yeah, we just put self-tappers. Sometimes you just gotta work with what you got. But I mean, it didn't come out that bad, honestly.
For what it was, it should have just been like about an hour.
I mean, we could have made it more like evenly, but it's pretty hard. It's not as easy as it looks.
Nope.
So, yeah. But I'm gonna end this video here. What day is it? Friday. Do I want to upload on Saturday? No. You guys will just wait until Monday.
Safety.
Yeah, you guys will probably just wait until Monday for this video to come out. Yeah. Man, I'll catch you guys tomorrow.